Okay, today we study breakout strategy. Okay, it's a good strategy in CWRV. So some people only trade breakouts, and because it's a high rate strategy if you know about it. But first of all, we need this. We need a big body candle. Okay, it's a unusual candle that is different from ordinary candle, that is powerful than ordinary candle. Okay, so it's very important, a big body candle. Okay, the breakout should occur with a big body candle. Okay, anytime we have a breakout, we need to check some condition. Okay, the market should be in zone. Okay, there are 6 conditions, and even 8, but 6 are pure condition. The breakout should happen with a big body candle. Okay, a big body candle. Okay, so a big body candle. Okay, and the previous candle should be the same color. The previous candle to the breakout candle should be the same color as the breakout candle. Okay, if the breakout is bullish, the previous candle should be a buy candle. Okay, and the momentum should be in same direction as breakouts. The momentum should be in same direction as a breakout. Okay, those are the conditions that we need. Okay, and the fifth condition is the wick should be in same direction. The wick should be in same direction as breakout. Okay, it's very important. And those conditions should be present before we trade. So the sixth condition is the the breakout party should yes, the breakout party should have to shift their position. It's very important. Breakout party should shift their position. Okay, if you have a bullish breakout, you have to see a shifting in position. Okay, a shifting in position is very important. You have to observe, and talking about market should be in zone. The market should be like this, walk moving between support and resistance. Okay, that is what we call a zone. The market should move between support and resistance like this. That is what we call a zone. Okay, and we have, as I told you, is eight. We have 8 conditions, but the sixth are very important. These 6 conditions are the most important, and the shifting of position is with this. Okay, can you see it? We are having a lower high, then breakout. That is shifting of position because the price is not able to reach the resistance again. The breakout should be a big body candle. Okay, and that is what I've explained before. And the preferred candle should be in same color. Okay, I've explained it. And the momentum should be in same direction. Mm. And you need to use the base market story to analyze the number of candles, the wick, the volume. Okay, just to know the pattern that is strong. It's very important. Okay, that's base market story. It will help you. Number of candle, you have to check the number of candle. Okay, you want to check big candles, you have to check wicks, you have to check volume. But this one is not a condition. This one is measuring the momentum. Okay, to know which side is dominant, which side is strongest. Okay, that's what you call a base market story. Okay, number of candle, whether it's a big candle, whether it's a weak, whether it's volume. We saw the condition is measuring the party that is dominant, the party that is strongest. Okay, so That's it. For example, if the buyer candle are 6 candle, the seller candle are 8 candle. Okay, so that means that we have a big we have a that's called you have sellers that is strongest. The sellers are strongest. Okay, you have to check the volume. It's very important. Okay, to check weak, but all this is to know which party is stronger before the breakout. It's very important. Okay, so sometimes the momentum is not clear on the market. You have to check to measure the base market story. Okay, so let us see this example right now in the chart. Let us see the example of the chart. Okay, I told you the 6 conditions are the most important. If one of the condition is not there, there is 3 possibility to enter the breakout. So we escape one possibility and enter the 2. Okay, let us draw the zone here. You can see that this market is respecting a zone. We have a support and resistance. This market is respecting a zone, and we can see for a number of candle we have many candle, so we cannot count. Okay, buyers or sellers, we cannot count them. Okay, yeah, but we can check very quickly. We can check very quickly the party that is stronger. Okay, you can see that buyers are strongest. Okay, if you check the volume, buyers are strongest. So buyers are strongest. Okay, and for week, let us check the week very quickly. If so, those of you that don't understand this part, you can study the base market story. Okay, base market story chapter, and we can see that there is shifting of price. The price is shifting here. Okay, we are having a higher low, a higher low toward resistance, and the price, if you see it like this, you have to know that the breakout will happen. Okay, the breakout will happen. It's a sign of a breakout. Okay, it's a potential breakout. Anytime you see a shifting of position, the price that is not able to reach support, and we are having the higher lows to the resistance. So you have to be ready to trade the breakout. Okay, but let's anytime verify the 6 condition. The 6 condition, you have to know them. Okay, if one condition is not there, there is a way to trade it, and I will show you right now. Okay, so in this chart we can know that you can see that everything is supporting buyers. Okay, let me choose a small part, a small consolidation, so that we can understand this quickly. Okay, this shifting explanation is very important. Okay, let us choose another chart so that we can understand. Okay, okay, yes, you can draw here. You can see the shifting of position. This is a support, a resistance. You can see the shifting of position here, and you have a breakout. You can see the shifting of position here, then we have breakout. Okay, so it's a very important condition. It's very important condition. Anytime you see the shifting of position, you have to be ready for the breakout. Okay, it's very important. Okay, the shifting of positions. Let us look at another example right now. So look at here. The price is not able to reach the former resistance. The price is not able. We can see the shifting of position here. Okay, just draw the resistance or the support, you will see the shifting. Okay, and it's a sign of a breakout that is coming. Okay, let us count very quickly the number of candles: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16. We have 16 sellers. Okay, buyers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 buyers. Okay, so but in number of candle, sellers are more. Okay, sellers. Okay, let us see the volume. Okay, you have sellers, you have minus buyers, you have plus sellers, minus buyers, you have minus sellers, you have plus buyers, you have a plus seller, you have a minus buyer, you have plus buyers, yes, you have plus seller, you have a plus seller, yes, you have minus buyer, yeah, plus sellers. Okay, we can see that sellers plus sellers are more. So plus seller are more. The volume is increasing in sellers more than buyer. So in the volume, sellers are winning. Okay, sellers are winning the volume too. Sellers are winning the candle. Sellers are winning the volume. Okay, now let us check the week. Okay, buyers, yes, seller, buyer, seller. Yeah. For the stronger week, you can see that sellers are still there. Sellers are stronger. Okay, sellers are stronger. So this is how to analyze the best market story. Okay, this is to be sure that the dominant party is the one that is breaking the market. Okay, it's very important. Okay, you can see that here we are having the shifting opposition. Okay, you're having the shifting opposition. The price is shifting, which is an important condition for breakouts. Okay, for the shifting. So you have to just analyze one by one. Okay, one by one. Okay, and you can draw a line. You can draw a line to be sure that everything is matching. Okay, it's very important. So that is it. Okay, we are having a big body candle. We have a big body candle, but the problem is the previous candle is not the same color. Okay, the previous candle to the breakout candle is not the same color. So in the sixth condition, one condition is not matching. One condition is not matching. The previous candle is not from the same color candle, and if it is this, no, that is minor one. Okay, that's minor one, and we will not trade directly. Okay, we will not trade directly. If you draw a trend line, you can see that the price is shifting. So that condition is respected. That condition is there. Okay, the price is shifting, but the only thing is the previous candle is not different. It's not same color as breakout candle, and in that case, what will happen? What will happen is we can conclude that momentum is good. Momentum is supporting seller. The big candle is good. The big candle is supporting seller. Okay, the previous candle not good. The previous candle is not supporting seller. Okay, the wick is good. The wick is supporting seller. Okay, you can see that in those fourth conditions, normally it's 6. Okay, the shifting too is good. The shifting is supporting seller. The price is in market zone, so that's 6 condition. In those 6 conditions, only one is not working. Okay, so only one is not working. So here we can say that we have 3 that is working, but not that in the 6 condition only one is not working. Okay, only one. Okay, so we will not enter immediate. We know that there is 3 possibility to enter. If every condition is matching, we can enter straight directly after the breakout. Okay, we can enter sell after the breakout. Okay, but as it's not the previous candle is not good. Okay, we wait for the price to retrace. The price will retrace to this breakout line. Okay, we wait for the price to come to this breakout line, then we'll enter above the line. Okay, we'll enter sell. Okay, so we have one possibility to enter, second possibility to enter, and the third possibility to enter is at breakout candle low. Okay, breakout candle low level. Okay, it's very important to know all there's three possibility to enter into breakout. If every condition is respected, we will enter in one at one. Okay, but as one condition is not working, you enter above the breakout line. Okay, we enter there. That's position 2. Okay, but if we miss it, we can enter when price break the low of breakout candle like this. And for this condition, the candle size doesn't matter. The candle size doesn't matter. It's only volume. Okay, its volume have to increase more than previous volume. That's it. And then we can enter from the line, from the low of the breakout candle. But here on this chart, you can see that the price didn't retrace, but we have a candle that has increased volume more than previous candle. Then we can enter from the low of breakout candle. Okay, that's very important to know. Okay, so there is flexibility, but there are laws how to trade. You just don't do anything you want, you will lose your money. Okay, you have to learn theoretically and practice. See this example. Okay, we have a zone here and we are having a breakout. Okay, so if this breakout candle didn't increase volume just as here, and we can see that the volume didn't increase. Okay, then we wait for the price to come to the breakout line. Okay, for us to trade, and we have to see struggling in the candle, struggling. Okay, rejection, pressure, rejection, while the price is approaching the breakout line. Okay, before entering, before trading. If you didn't see the struggling, don't trade. Okay, we need this struggling. We need this struggling. Okay, the price should be struggling. But if the price enter by force like this, okay, high fluctuation, don't trade. Don't trade. If you see high fluctuation, no struggling, that's a sign that sellers are not active there. Sellers are not aggressive. So just let the price move. Don't trade. Okay. So pressure and rejection is very important here, as you can see. Okay. For people that don't understand what I'm explaining here, just study the chapter about pressure and rejection to add to this analysis. Is very important. And if we miss the retracement, we wait for the breakout of the low, the breakout candle low. Okay, you draw a line on the breakout candle low, and you have to see the increase of volume from that new breakout candle. Increase of volume more than the previous volume. Okay, let us see one example here. You can see that we have here we can look at a zone. Let us, yes, we have a zone here, but let me draw it right now. Okay, this is a zone, and we are having a breakout. See the volume. The volume is low compared to the previous volume. Okay, and the breakout is not a big body candle. The breakout too is not a big body candle. In this case, we will not enter straight. We will not enter. Okay, we will wait for the price to come to the breakout line. Okay, don't enter. Okay, so you have to avoid bad habits. You can enter, you will win, but it's a bad habit. This is not a sign that you are a good trader. You will not succeed by doing that. You can win one trade, two trade, but you always lose. Okay, you fall into trap. Okay, so the conditions are not matching here, but we can see that the price have continued. No, it's not a matter of wrong strategy. It's a good strategy. We need to keep to the strategy. If we didn't see the condition working, don't trade. Okay, Here the candle is not a big body candle, but we have to wait for the price to come to the breakout line here. Okay, the price to come, and we have to see a struggling. Okay, and once the price went beyond the line, we enter. Okay, we enter. That's how a professional trader trade. Okay, please let some trade. So don't just trade any trade. Okay, so if you see a struggling, then we can enter. But if we miss it, it's like this. We can draw a line. The price didn't come to the retracement line, but we have a breakout candle that has increased volume. Okay, we can trade straight if we had a momentum from buyer, but here we don't have a momentum from buyers. We don't have momentum from buyers. We have a consolidation, so we don't trade. We need to wait for the price to come to the new line. In this new line, okay, the price should come there before we trade, because the condition is very, very, very important. So right now, so you have to understand that we need a good planning. Okay, you need a good planning. Plan your trade and execute it. Don't just trade as you want. Don't just trade as you feel. Here, the 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 the, the volume is low. The condition is not good. Don't trade. If you trade, you can win, but you will lose in long run. You will lose in long run. Okay, so we need a retracement here. So learn to have a good habit. That's what I was saying. Learn to have a good habit and avoid bad habits.